Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to add a chat to your favorites list on WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to keep your most important conversations right at your fingertips, this feature is going to make your life a lot simpler. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to organize your chats. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list and find the conversation you want to mark as a favorite. Now, here's the key step. Tap and hold on that chat. You'll notice a few icons appear at the top of your screen. These options allow you to manage your chats in different ways, but for now, we're focusing on one specific choice. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This opens a small menu with several useful options. From that list, tap on Add to Favorites. Just like that, your selected chat will be added to your favorites list. This feature helps you save time by keeping your most used chats organized and easy to access. Whether it's your family group, your best friend, or a work contact, adding them to favorites means you won't have to scroll endlessly through your chat list anymore. You can manage your favorites anytime by repeating these steps, unmarking, or adding new chats whenever you like. It's all about keeping your WhatsApp as personalized and efficient as possible. That's it. You've just learned how to add a chat to your favorites list on WhatsApp using the updated method. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes all the difference in staying connected quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for watching.